This Phantom wallet shows $3.1 million in profits. Every dollar came from launching meme coins. No gambling, no chasing charts. Watch closely, I'll show you exactly how it's done. I kept trying to time the perfect meme coin to buy. Watching charts, chasing volume, hoping for a moonshot. But every time I'd get dumped on by someone who got in earlier. That's when it clicked. The real profit isn't in buying, it's in launching. When you launch, you set the entire narrative. You decide when it goes live, and the buyers, they come to you. Since I made the switch, I've stopped gambling and started stacking wins consistently. It's a whole different game, and it's one you need to start playing. Because bro, I'm telling you, you can make a lot of money. By the way, this video was made for educational purposes only. Shh, cap! Pump.Fun looks easy to launch coins, but it's oversaturated. Thousands of coins flood the site every single day, and most coins never even get seen. On top of that, you don't actually control your own liquidity, you're just another holder waiting for volume into your own coin. That's why I use create tokens.io nowadays. It launches directly onto Raydium your coins. You keep full control and your coin gets instantly graduated, no waiting, no queues. From the moment you launch, your token is live, visible, and ready for real buyers to ape in, all because it's instantly migrated. If you want your project to move fucking fast, this is where you launch it, bro, no doubt about it. Now when you are set to launch a coin on createtokens.io, you've got two main plays. Option 1, build a coin from scratch. So go on Twitter and choose a narrative that's buzzing, a celebrity moment, a viral meme, or even a random trend. For example, why are people turning their back on Kaizenat? That could be a good narrative. Okay, I'm pretty sure a coin came out about this. I'm almost 100% sure actually. But yeah, then come back to the site, give your token a name, a ticker symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo, hit next, and boom, your coin is live. But the option 2 is my personal favorite and the most profitable, the copy trending coins. This tab pulls in tokens already pumping on Pump.Fun. They've already got attention and traffic flowing in. By copying these coins onto Raydium, you skip the grind, your coin goes live instantly, and because the hype is already in these coins, you get immediate buyers and bigger profit potential. Both methods work, but if you're chasing speed and results, copying trending coins is the move. Alright, enough talking, it's time to launch a coin right now. Let's walk through it exactly step by step and make it happen right now. So connect your Phantom wallet to createtokens.io, then refresh right here to have all the newest coins. I'm gonna copy the which coin should I copy? I actually don't know. I'm gonna copy the Pythis coin. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago and the $21,000 market cap, so crit coin, and on top of that it's King of the Hill. Anyways, ignore the warning and proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. Just give it a bit of time for it to, copy. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's pretty straightforward. We're just adding liquidity so your token can be traded instantly on Raydium. Buyers can jump in, sellers can exit, and the market becomes active. But here's a key detail. For the amount token A, just put 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the pool. And if you guys didn't know, you will be keeping 10% into your dev wallet. Then for the amount token B, just yeah. Now this is your own buy into your own coin. You're not spending money, you'll lose. You're simply locking in the initial trade. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you pull out the liquidity later, that SOL comes back right into your dev wallet. Okay, so you have nothing to lose. I'm putting 0.35 SOL, click create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Pythis coin is now live. Now if you again refresh the page, now we're up $174, which means people are actively buying into our coin. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Boom, it's live. Let me go on full screen. Come on bro, why is it loading, dog? Come on. Now all you have to do from now on is just monitor the coin, watch all the money come in, and potentially get lucky for the coin to run to like hundreds and thousands of market cap. But let me tell you right now, the coin is gonna run to around 10,000 to 30,000. And one coin out of 10, if the narrative is really good, it might run to hundreds and thousands of dollars. Okay, and yeah, bro, it all depends on your luck. But anyways, yeah, bro, be back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're at a $3,000 market cap and a 1.5k in liquidity. Now all we have to do from now on is just come back to the website once again, and then fuck it, click on refresh, and boom, we're up 1.6 grand with a $3,000 market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, and then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and make a lot of fucking money. If I open my Phantom wallet, 1.6 grand straight inside my wallet.